Welcome to our channel. Today we how to sign in to SoundCloud. Easy guide step by step clearly. Open the SoundCloud app on your phone or go to SoundCloud.com in your web browser. Make sure you have a stable internet connection so the sign-in page loads correctly. Look at the top of the screen and find the sign-in button. Click or tap Sign In to open the login options. Choose whether you want to sign in with email, Google, Apple, or Facebook. If you select email, type the email address linked to your SoundCloud account. Enter your SoundCloud password carefully, paying attention to uppercase and lowercase letters. Tap or click the sign-in button to continue. If you select Google, choose the Google account you want to use. Approve the permission request if Google asks to connect with SoundCloud. If you select Apple, confirm your Apple ID and use Face ID, Touch ID, or your passcode. If you select Facebook, enter your Facebook login details if you are not already logged in. Wait a moment while SoundCloud verifies your information. If you see an error, double-check your email and password for typos. If you forgot your password, click Forgot Password on the sign-in screen. Enter your email address and submit the password reset request. Open your email inbox and find the SoundCloud password reset message. Click the reset link, create a new password, and save it somewhere secure. Return to SoundCloud and sign in again using your updated password. If you are using a public computer, avoid selecting any option that keeps you signed in. If you want faster access on your own device, you can choose to stay signed in. After signing in, confirm you see your profile icon or username to verify you are logged in. Go to your library to access your likes, playlists, and followed accounts. Use the search bar to find tracks, artists, and podcasts right after you sign in. If the app keeps logging you out, update the SoundCloud app to the latest version. If the website is not working, clear your browser cache or try another browser. If you have two accounts, sign out first, then sign in with the correct method for the right account. If you still cannot sign in, visit SoundCloud Help and follow the account access steps. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.